Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Asian Programmers. Today we're going to learn about functions. Well, function is a code which we can write once and use anywhere in the code. It's just like a different functionality. We just write the code and we use in all the programs. For example, let's assume we need to make a function integer uh, addition. We want to make a function of addition in which we will give like two integers, integer a and integer b. The function is usually right on the bottom or on the top of the main function. This is the main function, so you can either write it on the bottom or on the top. But if you are writing on the bottom, then you have to give its declaration before the main function, okay, like this. But if you are writing in the top, then you don't need to declare it anywhere else. So let's start. For adding two numbers, we just need to do return a plus b, or we can use like make another integer c and do a plus b and then return c. Okay, there is a new things come in the function, that is the return thing. We use return to return the answer to the main function where the function will be called. Okay, so the return function, the value of c or the value of a plus b, gonna return to the function where it calls. Let's say we will just stick to this and remove this return. Okay, if you wanna make an integer like addition, okay, we wanna make an integer like a will be equal to, we will call addition function here, addition, that's our function, and they say we have to give like two integers. Let's say we are giving 5 and we will give 6. We just give two integer to our functions, and the answer of 5 plus 6 gonna come back to this addition function and will be assigned to value a. Okay, that's what it's mean. Then when the value is returned by c from the function, when that function ends, this value will return to here, and will assign to the value of a. So now if we can print cout a, then it will gonna show you the addition value of 5 and 6. Let's see, look, the 11 came. How about if we want to like make two floating values addition, or yeah, two floating values addition. We will make float a and we will write like 5.5, 5.45 and 6.6. Okay, those are the two floating number, but here we specified that the number is gonna come like in integer. So whatever the type you are sending in here in the function attributes, that what you call attributes, you have to specify the type of that attribute here as well. So like it's float, it's going to be float. Two floating number will come to the function. Now the function will work fine. Now if you can wants to do like this, you can do like this, but I prefer to do, if it is a one-liner code, I should not be like wasting my memory. I just return a plus b or a multiply b. We will make this a multiplication function. We will just rewrite it, multiplication. Okay, this function will gonna multiply two numbers, whatever you gonna send it in it, it will just multiply and return. That's the return type. If I don't change the return type, it's gonna, the value gonna be sent in integer. If I change it to float, the value gonna will be sent in float, or in the double, whatever I will write here. If I write like float, the value gonna will return back to the function in a floating value. So now if I can print this, no, there is an error because we changed the name of the function to multiplication. So we'll have to write this. Okay, here you go. If I print, if I just run it now, here you go, you get the answer. Similarly, you can do with character as well and strings as well. Let's do with the strings. Let's make a function called concatenation. String concatenation. Concatenation is a process in which you just, okay, I have to like specify std. I'm writing the std again and again because I didn't specify using namespace here. Okay, that's why I'm writing std, so you don't get confused. If I write this, I do not require to write std over here. Okay, you can remove it. Okay, we are making a function called string concatenation, and in these we will get like two strings. Let's say string a and string b. How you can concatenate? Concatenate is you can add one string to with another string. The one string gonna remain same and another string gonna join and become one big string. That's what concatenation means. So how we gonna do it? So the C++ is gonna provide us facility. We can just like do like this. If we just do a plus b, they will gonna concatenate, and return type is string as well. So they're gonna send a string back with the concatenation. Let's make us two strings now. S1 and S2. S1 is equals to Asian programmer. Okay. S2 will be equals to subscribe my channel. Okay, that's our two signal. That's our two strings, sorry. So now we will call the function concatenation. Okay, concatenation function, we have to give two strings, S1 and S2. Now it's giving back one string. If we will try to print this right here, we can do this too. It will be any problem. But if you want to save in any variable, you can do that too. Like you have to make like another string s3 will be equals to concatenation of s1 and s2. Let me print these strings for you. Cout before concatenation, we will just print cout s1, okay, and s2. Okay, we'll just printing and giving space so you can identify what's the difference. Okay, now we're gonna like do this. After concatenation, and we'll just remove this. That's it. Now we're gonna print it. Let's see how it works. Now look, it's a before concatenation Asian programmer and subscribe my channel. Look like this. I just put some space so you can see it. Okay. Then afterwards, I should put an handle so you can read it more nice. Okay, I will run it again for you. Here you go. Here you go. Now the before concatenation Asian programmer and a space, subscribe my channel. After the concatenation, it will show an Asian programmer and subscribe my channel all together like a one string. I hope you like it. If you like it, do like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Thank you.